Previously, users had no way to specify the due date and cash discounts in credit memos that were created in the system. For example, if a company offered a cash discount for a sale and the customer promptly paid the discounted amount but later returned the goods for any reason, the credit memo was generated without the cash discount, even though the seller was going to refund the discounted amount only. Additionally, in AR agent reports, credit memos were aged based on their document dates, as they didn't have due dates. For cash flow forecasting, the document dates were also used. To address these issues, we have introduced the new setting, Use credit terms in credit memos on the AR preferences form. This setting enables the terms box for credit memos in accounts receivable and order management. Once terms are specified for a credit memo, the system will calculate a due date and a cash discount amount according to the terms condition, just as it does for invoices. The due date will be used in AR agent reports, customer statements, and cash flow forecasting. If a credit memo with a cash discount is selected in a refund or payment, the system will suggest taking the cash discount if the payment is made before the cash discount date. I am going to process a credit memo for this invoice with a 3% cash discount offered. I have enabled credit terms for credit memos. That is why the terms box is editable for the document, and its value is taken from the original invoice. The due date and cash discount are calculated based on the terms, but they can be overridden if needed. If I make a refund for the memo within the cash discount period, the system will reduce the refunded amount by the cash discount. The feature can be activated or deactivated at any time. If a credit memo has a due date, this date will be used in agent reports and customer statements. Otherwise, the system will use the document date. If a cash discount was calculated for a credit memo based on the terms, it will be possible to take it in refunds and payments.